In the aftermath of a hurricane, it's important to report any and all damage that you may have to your home to your insurance company right away, and take plenty of pictures. It's also very important to take the necessary steps to minimize additional damage to your home. Now, after a storm, a lot of homeowners are looking for an immediate solution for a leaky roof, and in most of those cases, a plastic tarp really can help to minimize any additional damage that can occur with other rains after the storm. Now, to hold it in place, a 1x2 like this is just perfect. You can stretch your tarp out over, lapping it over the ridge, make it nice and flat. Then use the 1x2s with some 8-penny nails like these to hold it down in place, and you'll want to nail it about every 16 inches. Also, occasionally you'll want to put maybe a few of these. These are nails with plastic washers on them that will kind of spread out the support that they provide and really hold your tarp nice and tight. Now, it's important to remember to keep it nice and tight so that water will not dam up anyway, and run these strips down the slope instead of turning them sideways. That can create some ponding or damming. That's not a good idea at all.